Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this savings box. It's supposed to help you save throughout the year. And this is very cute. I thought it would be bigger, but it's kind of small. You would have to assemble it according to these instructions. So let's do that. So it came with this pen. And 4 wooden parts. Let me zoom out so you can see better. So this is the wood, and this one you would have to like push it out. So let me do this. And here is the front part, and I think all I have to do is, I think this is the inside part, so let's assemble it. It's pretty straightforward. We're supposed to like put this together. This is not the sturdiest wood, so just be careful assembling this piece. And then if you see another notch there, all you have to do is just insert. So just push it like this. It's pretty easy. And the last piece, and for the last piece, just insert it like so. So make sure the lighter color is inside and the darker color is on the outside. So that one is attached. Now you have to attach the back piece. Just put the holes through. Just make sure you're filling in the gaps, so like push it in. Sides and the last piece is this part. So there are some holes there in the back, so you just have to line that up and make sure that the one with the holes are in the top. So I'm gonna do that right now. Wait for that pop. Okay, so this is the final look of the piggy bank, the savings piggy bank. It's like a wooden savings box. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.